Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses, model SPR17W in color code 2AU-8C1. The color of the frame is tortoise, and the lenses are brown. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. On its top left lens, you'll find the Prada logo engraved in the lens. The temples are also tortoise, and you'll find the Prada Milano Paris logo in gold on its temple. And the temples have triangular shapes. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Prada logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box. And on the inside is the Prada logo. A white Prada case that magnetizes to close. A Prada dust bag. A black Prada cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.